Dominoes, how to play. This game is with 2 to 4 players, and this is the most basic version on how to play. Lay out the dominoes and separate them. Use all the dominoes in between the blank and the double 6. There should be 28 dominoes. Here is an example. Flip all of the dominoes on the table. In a 2-player game, each person draws 7 dominoes. In a 3 or 4-player game, each person draws 5. Everyone now shows the higher ranked double domino they have. That player places that domino in the middle of the table. The player on the left goes next. You may place one domino matching one of the sides in the 4 directions. The next player does the same, and so on. You may put your domino to turn to save space. When you have a double, turn it on its side. However, the next player can't place dominoes on its side but only straight. If you can't place a domino, pick a domino from the pile. This is called the boneyard. Keep picking up until you can play a valid move. If you pick up the whole boneyard and you still can't move, the next player goes. Keep playing this process by placing dominoes correctly and passing your turn to the left. When someone has placed their last domino, the winner gets the number of dots that the other players had left on their dominoes. Use a pen and paper to remember the score for the player. Play again until someone reaches 150 points, or a decided amount to keep the game shorter. The person who plays the required amount of points wins. Check out this next video.